So just to start with the eyes, we have, of course, a medium gold color. Here we have the wonderful characteristic Verdicchio notes starting to appear. Some of these cereal notes, honey, maybe a little touch of that hydrocarbon, sort of kerosene starting to bloom. Verdicchio is not one of our super acidic white grapes in Italy, but it has plenty of acidity to provide balance, right, along with the fullness and the sort of golden tone of the fruit. You get that sense of warmingness, but also the gentleness of Jesi compared to Matelica, right? This is not a strident, sort of extreme wine. I think you also get those mature notes on the palate. You start to get some of the mineral characters that we look for.
2016 was a relatively cold, cooler vintage, so I think it's one that should age pretty well through the different years.
Okay. Wonderful. Thanks, Michele. Cheers.